It's Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop, and last week I put a video up where I was giving away an airbrush and a spray booth. And this is specifically for customizing die-cast cars or painting model cars, whatever. It's a small size, but enough to do what you need to do. It was given to me by a friend who was getting out of the hobby. He had bought it with all intentions of using it, and it just never happened. And his request was that it went to somebody who really needed it. So in order to qualify on that video, you had to post "I need it" in the comment section. And obviously I also asked that somebody that really did need it would be the one to make a comment, not just somebody who's already got 3 of them and just looking for a fourth. So I really want this to go to somebody who needs it. So there was 208 comments. So with the YouTube random comment generator, you put the URL of the actual video in, and I filter duplicate users, and I filter comments based on a specific text, which is "I need it." And then I can say get YouTube comments, and there was 145 unique comments that said that. So a lot of people did say that they like it and it was a great thing. They don't need it. They want it to go to somebody who needs it. But so there were other comments, obviously, but there was 145 unique comments that said "I need it." So that's really great to know, assuming everybody's being honest, and I have to assume that there's 145 people out there that are that really do need this. And reading the comments, there's a lot of people that are just getting into the hobby that are looking for it. There's a lot of people that have been in the hobby but are rattle canning, and in the winter months they can't because they can't paint inside. Maybe they live in an apartment, or the paint, they have no way to extract the paint smell, and rattle cans do smell. So I'm really, really pleased that this is going to go to somebody who really does need it. So I know Keith just shut up and press the button and see who the winner is. So I can pretty much hit the start button. It's going to go through all of them, and the winner is going to be Evil 4 Good 13. I would love to get into airbrushing, but I can't afford to. This is what I need to get started. I need it. So I'm going to tag you in the very first comment. You've got, I'm going to give it a week because it's a holiday. You've got till next Sunday to get a hold of me. Otherwise, I'm going to pick another winner. I'm going to have my email in the comment where you're tagged. Very first comment of this post, it'll be pinned, this video, it'll be pinned. So please get a hold of me so I can get your address and I can ship this out this week. Congratulations. Thank you to everybody who commented. That's really all I got. This is a really short video. It's 3-4 minutes long. And I hope you guys are having a great 4th of July. I hope you didn't blow any fingers off. And if you did, it was worth it. So thanks, and I will catch you on the next one.